Hi, my name is Hannah Arnsman, and this is my cat video for Anatomy 2 with Dr. White.
Here at the top of the larynx we have the epiglottis, this little hard thing. And then this right here is the larynx, and just below that is the trachea. And on the front side we have the C-shaped cartilage of the tracheus. And then we have the trachealis muscle on the posterior side. And this tube running posterior to the tracheus is the esophagus. You can see it right there. And then down here is the thoracic cavity, all the way to the diaphragm. And this is the diaphragm. Typically it would be together. And we have the lungs on both sides. We have the posterior lobe, middle lobe, anterior lobe, mediastinal lobe, anterior lobe, middle lobe, posterior lobe. In the middle we have the heart. We have the pericardium that used to surround the heart, the apex of the heart. We have two auricles, the left auricle, the right auricle. Inside we have the left ventricle and the right ventricle and the interventricular septum. Here we have the abdominopelvic cavity all the way around. Up top we have the liver. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lobes. We have the gallbladder in here. We have the greater omentum, which is this fatty tissue. We have the spleen on this side. Down here we have the pancreas going all the way around here. Then at the top near the liver we have the esophagus coming into the stomach. And right above where the esophagus comes in is the fundus part of the stomach. We've got the body all the way down here, and then this is the pylorus where it starts to narrow. This is the pyloric sphincter. And then where it enters the small intestine, right here. This is called the duodenum, first part of the small intestine. It's the C-shaped part. And then this is the jejunum of the small intestine. And at the end of the small intestine, we have it's all mixed up in our poor cat. We have the ileum, which is this last little part right here. And then this is the ileocecal valve. And then inside the small intestine we have the mesentery tissue right here. Below where the ileocecal valve comes in, we have the cecum, part of the large intestine. We have the ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon of the large intestine. Then we have kidney on the right side here, left side. And inside we have the cortex on the outside. The darker part here is the medulla. The renal pelvis is this little part right here, slit. And then on the right side we have another kidney. And we have a ureter. It goes up here. Then we got the urinary bladder, which is a deflated sac.